Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add resume to LinkedIn. The first thing you do is to head over to www.linkedin.com using your browser. I'm going to type in linkedin.com. It's already there. So I'm going to sign in next. Click on this to sign in. And then you put in your credentials. Now, since I'm already signed in actually, so that's why it's printed like this. Next thing, I'm going to show you this home page. Then you click on the me icon at the top here. Then you click on settings and privacy. And next thing you're going to do is on the left side here, you're going to click on, you can see this left side, click on data privacy. Then over here on the right side, you're going to click on, you scroll down first of all, and click on job seeking preference. Under it we have job application settings, so click on that job application, and now you can see your resume and application data, and you can see your resume here, so you can upload another resume. So by choosing the file and then open. So you can also have this turned on to save your resumes and application data. So leave it turned on, or if you don't want, you can just delete it if you like to delete your application answers to your previous answers. Then another one we have here is to share resume data with recruiters. If you want recruiters to have access to your resume data, so you can also use this part and turn it on. If you don't want that, you just simply turn it off. It depends on you. That's it. That is how to add resume to LinkedIn. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.